Welcome, students. Today we are exploring the amazing world of plant life. Plants are some of the most remarkable living things on Earth. From giant redwood trees to tiny mosses, plants can survive in almost every environment. Now, students, notice this. Plants are not just ordinary organisms. They are essential for life. They help us understand how living things grow, survive, and support all other forms of life. So what makes plants special? First, they are producers of energy. Plants are the only organisms that can make their own food from sunlight. This makes them the foundation of all food chains. Second, they are masters of adaptation. Desert cacti store water, and Arctic plants survive freezing temperatures. Plants have amazing survival strategies. Third, they provide essential life support. Plants give us oxygen, clean our air and water, and also provide food, medicine, and more. And materials. This is an important point. Without plants, life on Earth could not exist. Now let's look at the structure and function of plants. Roots hold plants firmly in the soil and absorb water and nutrients. The stem supports the plant and transports water, food, and minerals. Leaves act like solar panels, capturing sunlight and making food through photosynthesis. Flowers and seeds are the plant's reproductive organs. They help plants create the next generation. Here's an example you should remember. Without flowers and seeds, plants would not be able to continue their species. Students, let's learn about the different types of plants. Trees are the giants of the plant world. They give oxygen, store carbon, and create homes for animals. Flowering plants are the most diverse. They produce colorful flowers to attract pollinators and create seeds. Ferns are ancient plants that reproduce with spores instead of seeds. They love moist, shady areas. Mosses are small but powerful. They prevent soil erosion and create mini ecosystems almost anywhere. Now, students, notice this. The plant kingdom is full of variety, from the tallest trees to the tiniest mosses. Every plant goes through a life cycle. It begins with germination. A seed absorbs water and warmth, cracks open, and sends out roots and shoots. Next comes seedling growth. The young plant grows its first leaves and begins photosynthesis. Then, as a mature plant, it develops flowers to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Pollination happens when pollen moves from one flower to another, helping the plant create seeds. Finally, seed dispersal allows seeds to travel by wind, water, or animals to new places, starting the cycle again. This is an important point. Plants keep renewing life through this cycle. Plants have incredible adaptations for survival. In deserts, cacti store water in thick stems and use spines instead of leaves to reduce water loss. In forests, vines climb trees to reach sunlight high in the canopy. In water, plants like water lilies have floating leaves and roots that absorb nutrients directly from water. Here's an example you should remember. No matter the environment, plants always find ways to adapt and survive. Finally, let's see why plants matter so much. Through photosynthesis, plants capture sunlight, take in water and carbon dioxide, and produce oxygen and food. Plants are essential because they form the base of all food webs. They clean the air, provide homes for wildlife, and protect soil from erosion. Now, students, notice this. Protecting plants means protecting all life on Earth. From the smallest moss to the tallest oak tree, every plant plays a vital role in keeping our planet balanced and alive.